just finished Boston, and now we're in a different part of Portland, and we're doing a bit of river exploration. All right, guys. So stay tuned. We're hitting the river up, guys, and we finished Boston Bay. Just ate some pork and some pork sausages and stuff like that, and some good food, guys. I'm full. I'm about to hit up the river, throw on my swimming trunks, and get refreshed. Laurie's back here. She's ready. I broke a fishing rod today, by the way. I'm sure you guys gonna see that in the clip. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Pick up yourselves. Jamaican shore fishing. This is an all-out daily adventure, guys. That's what's up. Put up on the river, guys. Jamaican shore fishing here. Yeah, man. Nicky them enjoy themselves. Laurie, they chuck off in the water. Put up on the local ends here, guys. Nice local ends. Yeah, man. Portland side. Just here, guys. Look at chill guys, check it. See boss, yeah? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
See boss, I set up in place, guys. Yeah, man, boss. Boss thing authentic, you know? Yeah, guys, that's what's up. There, check out the cool ends, guys. First time on the ends.
Welcome to Serene.
Yeah, man, we at Serene, guys. Look at the lorry down there in the water. But there, so I go and build a look of cool vibes. Get 2 cool beer from my friend. And we do a look of vibes here up on the beach here, you know? And look at riverside. So, make sure you come check out this place, guys. Awesome, awesome river. Look at this. Nice. Look at this. Nicky's about to fall off a rocks. I seen that! And I have it on camera too. Yeah, guys, check it out. Awesome spot. Yeah, man, we're there, so guys. Pick up on yourself shore fishing. Adventure time. Up in the hills of Portland, guys. That's what's up. Just said, unless y'all swim looking more, then let me know. You know what I'm saying? Nikki don't want to swim no more, guys.
Yeah, because my wig is back on now.
and me that tell you if I go swim without wig. Yeah, them are sitting here, people. We're up on the river still, you know, people. We are going easy for one chillings up in Portland, guys. All them nice hills just and cool and bit of local vibes, guys. You see it? River vibes. Yeah, man, we're outside, guys. Up. We're up in Portland, you know. There with Tanya. Tanya, yeah? Patrick Moore, you see Tanya in the video, you know, Patrick. Tanya laugh out there, we're up on riverside, Patrick. So I have to probably talk over that one here because you don't know the music in the background probably get a copyright strike, but so I said you don't know, guys, outside Jamaican shore fishing. Alright, guys, yeah, we're there so in Portland, guys, up in the hills of Portland now. We dip on the river and we're there Serene, yes man, Serene, let me get it correct, guys, Serene, and we're up here so in Portland, guys, on the river. And Regina do a local clip up here. I'll go on easy back on a B2 juice same way on the river.
Yeah, people with fish that Mr. Shore Fishing caught.
But yeah, we're going. We come off our seaside, so you don't know, guys, how we stay.
On the river,
yeah.
on the bank.
Yeah, I that way they are, and Nicky they are give me trouble again. But we don't know how we go already, guys. And we have a nice local vibes here on the river. Take a look at swim off already and fresh up. So we're there in the hills of Portland, guys. Look at that. Outside. Stay tuned for those exciting drone footage that I took earlier. I'll post those next. Big up yourself outside. pick up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. We're here at Serene, and we're up in the hills, Portland, and we're getting ready to cut and go home. We just enjoyed some shrimp and some fish that we just roasted up on the grill. I'm sure you guys seen that in the video earlier. I hope you guys enjoyed those drone shots that we shot. I showed you guys that in earlier clips. Big up yourself, guys. We're gonna head back to Mobay now, but I don't know what's gonna happen between now and Mobay. Who knows? I might stop. I might not go home. I might go to a different direction. I might end up in St. Thomas. I might end up in... Who was in the grill yesterday?
Yeah.
And we're in Portland today? Shit, St. Thomas sounds good. How about that? Let's see what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Love you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. And watch the ads. And make sure if you're up here in Portland, guys, come up to Serene and come link him. He will cook up some wicked fish here. He will cook up some lobster for you, some conch, and he cook up some whole heap of things for you. See, man, I've been up in thing out of bamboo, and the river well nice and pretty, guys. Make sure you come up here and come spend a few bucks. And yo, listen, man, don't worry about that. Card machine soon there in our place, dog. Can tap on these things and ropes. Technology. So here we are going, guys.
Don't forget to tell him that he also has Wi-Fi.
Yes, yeah, Wi-Fi too. Pan the river, pan the bank. Yo, hey my girl, when we're up on the river, pan the bank, when you come here, say here. Yeah, man, French cut. Shit. So, when you just come to that place, guys, big up on yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We out here. It's not a fishing vibes, no, but it's just an after chill. We will come up on the ends and we're there, so I'll be la vibe. See? Big up yourself. One love, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Yeah, guys, see fish. You see? That is it. Yeah, man. Outside, guys. So we are cut out of Portland now, guys. And you know, that with a month on the fish and thing we fish from Portland. So big up yourself outside. Yo, guys. We don't eat how much pork are sitting, you know?
There's no pepper in it, but it tastes good though.
Come on, don't look at.
You taste
Look at him. Look at. Yeah, where you looking at my camera for? No, oh no! Go on, feed him and flex the muscle. No, feed feed her and flex the muscle again. She like that, you know?
No, I want to.
You know, see smile on your face. Just feed him and flex the muscle again, the dogs. You know, she like that. Go on, feed him and flex the muscle again. Look here, look on this one. Rod. Yo, guys, yo, guys, you see that? You can. Yo, people, we can't take him, you know. This is what we have to deal with, guys. Guys, this is what we have to put up with. Every single time we go on road, this woman give me trouble on road. I know me alone, he might get trouble, he might give me bridge in trouble too. Yo, people, big up yourself. Thank you, Jamaican shore fishing. Please like, share, and subscribe. We love you guys. Big up yourself.